Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video we'll cover the conditional mapping and the push settings. So we are at the push settings. We've set up a push for a contact, and once you map something, let's say we will map the last name into the last name element in our form, you'll see the configure button. What this does, it lets you to configure what would you like Form Titan to do if for example, if the last name was empty, you would want to say, let's say, to set the last name in Salesforce as default. So you can just put your value here. Other option is you could do don't use, just if it's not empty, just don't use it. The other thing is don't use for update. So let's say whenever you update, you can do either update or create if not found. And if you want on an update not to update the last name, then you can just check that and it will not update the last name once the object is pushed. And you could do the same thing for don't use for create. So whenever you create an object you don't want to set the last name, then you could do that as well. In that instance, last name is mandatory, so it's going to fail, but technically in any other field that you don't want to push on create, you could just do that. And then you could do use null if empty, so we'll send a null value if the value is empty. And we can also replace BR with CRLF if we have spaces in the value that you have.